Hey guys, welcome back. I just wanted to go over a rice dish I did. I think you'll impress anyone, I think, as my customers tell me they love it. So, very simple, bringing it down to a kitchen size, sort of say. So, I'm using a rice cooker, which is one of the easiest ways in which to produce rice. Fail safe, it's automatic. They're about $20 at the store. I'm using a Black & Decker. And I wanted to go over the ratio. I use a measuring device. So my ratio is 1 part rice to 2 parts of liquid. And in this batch, I use a half cup of white wine and 1.5 cups of water or stock, and this one was spring water. It adds just a nice essence. I also use a roasted garlic infused lard that I have the recipe for online here as well. Okay, it's a spicy roasted garlic. I also used a curry powder. I used a little bit of olive oil, and I used some diced onion, okay, and some salt, pepper. All right, so there's your main ingredients. And again, you put all your ingredients in, and you hit your go button. It'll automatically go off and steam. You can adjust your rice with a little bit of moisture as needed. Also, all depends on how well you're going to, or how long you're going to wait for your party to come and eat. But this is the end product here, and look how just beautiful this is, and it tastes absolutely wonderful. I just put some knockwurst in that was steamed with a lager. So I steamed my knockwurst with a lager, and I cut them up, and I threw them in here for a little added flavor, a little bit of protein, you know. So this will give you a perfect rice, and tasty as could be. So you have to do your adjustments based on your taste and your partner's taste or what have you. But again, this is a 2-to-1 ratio, and again, I used a little bit of white wine as part of my 2 liquid. I used a half cup and then 1.5 cups of water. I did adjust at the end. I added another half cup of water and put the top on and let it go. And again, your adjustment of curry, beautiful stuff. A little bit of olive oil, and I'm just using a long grain rice. Okay, I like to rinse my rice and go from there. All right, guys, enjoy. Again, these things you can't beat for $19. And this rice will stay good on here. 5 hours, 4 hours. It'll be there for you. And again, thanks guys. Hope this helped you.